Hey everyone, we have a Honeywell Home Thermostat here. It's a 5.2 programmable, so it can be programmed for your weekdays and your weekends. So we're going to program it right now. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're just going to hit menu here. We see the program button. We'll hit select plus to turn it on. Select again. So you see it's blinking M2 WTF, that's your weekdays. I'm going to select that. The first thing that pops up is our wake time. So we can hit select here. We'll have it on. We'll hit select again. This is how we can change our time. So it goes in 15-minute increments. So I'm going to do our wake up time at 5. All right, we'll hit select. Our heat, I'm going to keep it a little bit low because I really don't care for it to kick on unless it's under 68. We'll hit select again, goes to cool. We want it to be, or I'm putting mine at 75 during the day, so you can leave it there, but obviously you can cycle through. There we go. Away, I'm not even really going to set this one here. Well, yeah, so this is away. I'm gonna turn this one off. If you have an away and want to set it, you can. That's like when you go off to work and whatnot. Home, so same situation. This is during the day, maybe in the evening, whatever. You can select your time there. I will just skip past. Actually, let me go back to this one here. We'll select it. I'm going to turn this one off. I'm really only looking for 2 settings for me personally. So at night, I like mine to go down to about about 69 degrees. To get it nice and cool. Actually, I hit the heat. I like it cool. So we'll put this down to 69 here. Select. And now we're onto our weekends, so we can do the same thing that way. If you want it to be any different, that's absolutely fine. For mine, I'm just going to keep it exactly the same as my weekdays, but as you can see, you have different options here. You know, I keep setting the heat, so make sure you're setting the cold and the heat appropriately. All right. Turn this off. Turn that one off. So you can see this is essentially how we set it. So at this point, we are good to go. You can hit back. And it's on, so we will just come back home and it's going to save it. So you see up here, this is what it's programmed for. That'll change obviously when your preset times change. So this is only going to work if you have your clock set properly. So if you want to do that, it's a similar process. You go to that menu button, we'll hit the plus here, and we have our time. Select 12-hour, and you can just kind of scroll up and down with your plus and minus for the hour. Select plus and minus for your minutes, and it's as simple as that. So that's how you program this thermostat. Hope this video helps y'all out. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and thank y'all for watching.